Presenting the 2004 Chrysler Town & Country Limited. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are variably intermittent wipers, leather steering wheel, bumpers, body color, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, and panic alarm. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.